Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that an AI agent has already done most of your work. It researched the information, answered the emails, updated the documents, analyzed the numbers, built the report, and sent everything to your manager. You didn't ask it to do every single step. You simply gave it a goal. That sounds like science fiction. But AI is already moving in that direction. So the question is no longer simply can AI answer questions. The more important question is what happens when AI can actually do the work. From chatbots to agents. For years, interacting with AI meant asking a question and waiting for an answer. You still had to take the answer, copy it, open another application, perform the next task, then come back and ask AI something else. AI agents are changing that relationship. Instead of simply responding, an agent can be given a goal. It can plan a sequence of actions, use different tools, interact with software, check its progress, and continue working toward the objective. That is a fundamentally different experience. We are moving from AI that helps you work toward AI that can perform parts of the work for you. What can an AI agent actually do? Imagine telling an AI, research 10 potential customers for my business, compare them, prepare personalized outreach messages, organize everything in a spreadsheet, and show me the results. Instead of manually performing every step, an agent can potentially coordinate the workflow. Research, analysis, writing, organization, communication, and increasingly, execution. This is why AI agents are attracting so much attention. They aren't simply generating information. They are beginning to connect intelligence with action. And research into AI agents is already showing how autonomous systems can significantly reduce the time required for certain knowledge work tasks. What happens to jobs? Now we arrive at the uncomfortable question. If an AI agent can perform tasks that currently require a human, what happens to the human whose job consists largely of those tasks? The answer isn't as simple as everyone will lose their jobs. Jobs are made up of many different tasks. Some are repetitive. Some require judgment. Some require relationships. Some require creativity. Some require physical presence. Some require responsibility when things go wrong. AI may automate parts of a job long before it eliminates an entire occupation. And that distinction matters. Because the future of work may not be about AI replacing jobs. It may be about AI replacing tasks within jobs. The 10-person company with 100 AI workers. Now imagine something more extreme. A small company with 10 human employees, but dozens of AI agents working alongside them. One agent handles research. Another handles customer support. Another analyzes data. Another writes and tests software. Another monitors systems. Another prepares reports. The humans aren't necessarily doing every task themselves. They are directing systems capable of doing much more work. This could dramatically increase what a small team can accomplish. And that is where the story becomes interesting. AI agents could potentially make powerful capabilities accessible to individuals and small businesses that previously needed much larger teams. The future may not simply be about fewer workers. It could also be about one worker becoming far more capable. But there is a problem. Giving an AI the ability to act is very different from giving it the ability to answer. An AI that writes an incorrect paragraph is one thing. An AI that can send emails, move money, change databases, deploy software, or make decisions inside a company has much greater consequences when it makes a mistake. AI agents therefore introduce new questions. Who is responsible? Who approves important actions? What happens when an agent misunderstands its objective? How do we stop malicious instructions? How do we prevent one compromised agent from affecting an entire system? The more autonomy we give AI, the more important oversight becomes. Research on agentic AI highlights challenges including hallucinations, prompt injection, unintended actions, and the difficulty of evaluating autonomous systems. So what happens to humans? Here is where I think the conversation gets interesting. If AI becomes extremely good at execution, what becomes more valuable about being human? Maybe it is not our ability to perform repetitive tasks. Maybe it is our ability to decide which tasks are worth doing. To understand people. To build trust. To lead. To imagine something that doesn't exist yet. To make difficult judgments. To take responsibility. And to define the goals that technology should pursue. AI may become extraordinarily good at answering how do we do this. But humans still have an important role in asking should we do this? And perhaps even more importantly, what should we build in the first place? The future may be bigger than jobs. There is another possibility we don't talk about enough. What if AI agents don't simply make companies more efficient? What if they make individuals dramatically more productive? A person with an idea could have AI agents researching it, designing it, writing software for it, testing it, marketing it, analyzing customers, and improving it. Things that once required a team could increasingly be attempted by one person working with intelligent systems. That could create enormous economic opportunity. But it could also create enormous disruption. And that means the goal shouldn't be to stop technological progress. The goal should be to learn how to direct it wisely. Humans plus AI. Maybe the future isn't humans versus AI. Maybe it is humans with AI versus humans without it. The people who learn how to work with these systems may be able to accomplish things that previously required entire teams. And that doesn't mean everyone needs to become an AI engineer. It means understanding what these systems can do, where they fail, how to supervise them, and how to turn them into useful partners. The most important skill may not be knowing how to use one particular AI agent. It may be learning how to think in terms of delegation. What should I do? What should AI do? What should remain under human control? And how can the two work together? AI agents may change the meaning of work. Some tasks will disappear. Some jobs will transform. New opportunities will emerge. And some of the changes will be uncomfortable. But technological progress has never been only about what machines take away. It has also been about what they make possible. The printing press expanded access to knowledge. Machines transformed physical labor. Computers transformed information. The internet transformed communication. And AI may transform the way we think about work itself. So perhaps the question isn't will AI take our jobs? Perhaps the better question is what could humanity accomplish if intelligent machines handled more of the work? Because if AI can eventually do more of the work, maybe our challenge won't simply be finding something to do. Maybe it will be deciding what is worth doing. And that could be one of the biggest opportunities humanity has ever been given.